Sometimes, life feels like it's racing at 100 miles an hour. But out here on the open road, time slows down. Today, I'm heading out to Tungamah, a small town in Victoria, to check out a potential campground and take in some amazing silo art. It's not just a ride, it's an adventure and a moment to reset mentally. Riding isn't just about getting from point A to point B. It's about the freedom, the connection with the road, and the clarity it brings to my mind. Motorcycles have always been a big part of my journey toward better mental health, reminding me to stay present and embrace the moment. In 2025, I've got plans to lower my bike with a new lowering kit. It's going to make rides like this even more comfortable and open up new possibilities for adventures. With the Vulcan Riders Association Victoria, I'm hoping to make these trips more frequent, bringing people together to explore, camp, and share stories under the stars. It's these moments that fuel my passion for more motorcycle camping adventures, whether it's a quick overnight trip or a multi-day road trip across stunning landscapes. One of the things I've learned from motorcycling is the importance of balance, not just on two wheels, but in life. Taking time for yourself, for your passions, is critical for mental wellness. If you're out there struggling, know this: it's okay to take a step back, breathe, and find your version of Tungamah, a place where you can reconnect with yourself. Stopping to admire the silo art is a reminder that beauty can be found in unexpected places, just like in life. I'm grateful for rides like these, for the chance to dream about the adventures ahead, and for the opportunity to share this journey with all of you. Let's keep chasing the horizon, on the road and in life. Remember to prioritize your mental health. Until next time, keep riding, keep living, and stay true to yourself.